This is active range of motion for the cervical spine. The first movement we're going to do is cervical rotation. What you're going to do is you're gently going to look to the right as far as you can, not pushing past any pain barriers. Hold for 2 seconds and look back. We'll go through 8 repetitions here together. The important thing here is we're not pushing past any pain barriers. You're finding where you're comfortable, kind of exploring that last kind of amount of range of motion before it becomes painful, and then coming back. We're going to go through every range of motion of the cervical spine for about 8 repetitions. While you're doing this on your own at home, a good dosage for these would be 2 to 3 sets of about 6 to 10 repetitions, depending on how inflamed or how kind of volatile your symptoms are at that time. We'll go one more here, looking to the right. Again, not looking to go through any pain barriers, but just kind of find where you're comfortable. 2-second hold and back. Now let's switch to the left. Look as far to the left as you can, holding for about 2 seconds and then back. Let's go for 8 repetitions here. And each one we're going to hold for about 2 seconds or so. If it feels right and if it feels good to you, we can extend that to about a 5-second hold. We don't really want to sustain these holds for more than about 5 seconds in these early stages of cervical whiplash. We're not looking to really overstretch any muscles at this point. We're just looking to kind of sustain our range of motion. All right, from there, let's go into cervical flexion. So cervical flexion is going to be looking straight down. The same kind of concept here. We're not looking to push past any pain barriers, but we're looking to just sustain what range of motion we have. So looking to kind of keep the range of motion that you currently have after the cervical whiplash type injury, and maybe improve upon it just a touch. Holding each one of these for about 2 seconds, up to 5 seconds if it feels right for you. All right, and here let's go into extension. Extension is looking up at the ceiling. Make sure we kind of pull our shoulders back as we do this. We don't want to be rounded forward as we extend, but we want to pull those shoulder blades back as you're looking up and down. If you're getting some feedback here, if you're getting any kind of sharp pain or pain kind of into the arms, take a little bit off your range of motion. You want to make sure that this is comfortable for you as we're starting to just maintain what we have after this injury. Maybe get just a touch back in these early stages. All right, the next one, and the last one for these active range of motion exercises, is side flexion. Okay, so side flexion is taking one ear to the shoulder. You're going towards the side. Okay. Making sure that we're not rotating our neck as we go. We're not hiking this shoulder up. So we're just trying to move at our cervical spine. Just trying to figure out what kind of range of motion is available to us and back. We'll go for about 8 repetitions each side. At home, we're holding for that 2-second count. About 8 repetitions here, 2 to 5 second hold, and back out. At home, a good kind of set and rep scheme again is 2 to 3 sets of these guys, about 8 repetitions each set, each range of motion, 2 to 5 second hold of each one of these. If there's a particular movement that feels like it just needs a little bit more help than the others, you can prioritize that one at home. And make this one individual to you. If there's a range of motion that just doesn't feel right yet, I would encourage you to continue to try and move at least a little bit into each one of those ranges of motion.